Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you a very easy and delicious recipe. It's not my recipe, I got it from a book about soups. This is going to be a super greens and orzo soup. The first step is going to be to chop the celery and onions and saute them in a pot with some oil, and make sure to add the amounts that are needed according to the recipe. So here I'm chopping the onions, and I have a small food processor that I like to use. That way I don't have to do a lot of knife work, and that makes the production of the soup way faster. So here I'm separating the contents of the soup that I'm gonna be needing, all the mise en place, that like they call them. The soup is also gonna take mushrooms, spinach, and broccoli. So the first step is sauteing the celery and onions in a Dutch oven, and the recipe asks for 16 cups of chicken stock. So I like mixing chicken bouillon with boiling water and then just adding the remainder of the water needed to make 16 cups altogether all day. Once I added all the chicken stock, I added the broccoli, and my idea was to make sure that the broccoli is very well cooked, because some people in my family do not like broccoli. So I cooked that for 15 minutes, allowing the broth to become boiled and the broccoli to cook all the way down. At that point I added a whole bag of spinach and the mushrooms. And the orzo. Orzo is a type of pasta that has the shape of rice. I added 2 cups of that. I stir everything well and allow for the pasta to cook. Once some time has passed and the pasta is fully cooked, I added 1 big tablespoon of pesto. Good quality pesto is always best. Make sure you taste for seasoning. Add salt and pepper to your liking. You are obviously allowed to add any other spices you like. I kept it simple with salt and pepper. Make sure you taste first, because the chicken stock is always a little salty. Tasting once again to make sure it's good. And that is the soup. Super healthy, super easy to make, and perfect for fall. I hope you guys like this recipe. Let me know if you would like to see a different one.